Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. We got a great episode today. We're going to Portland, Oregon, and I'm going to get some Hawaiian food. First up, I'm going to make a drink. Make sure you stay to the end. I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. So today we're just going to make a very simple drink. It's called a Rum Fizz. So I got a glass full of ice, and I got some white rum. We'll go about 2 ounces of white rum. And then I got the juice from a half a lemon. And then we'll do about a half ounce of simple syrup. And we're going to finish that off with club soda. Give that a little stir. And I have a lemon wedge as a garnish. And that's a Rum Fizz. Coming up next, we're going to Portland, Oregon. Aloha! I'm at 2454 Burnside in Portland, Oregon, and I'm at 8:08, and I'm going to have a chicken Katsu Plate, so check it out. How's it going?
Good, my dude.
I think that's my Katsu there.
Yeah, thank you, dude. Is that all? Yeah. Right behind.
Thank you. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. This is Mookie. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says, life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.